You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very fascinating, curious word. I love this word. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, by the way, stay tuned for more videos. So let's break it down. Meteorologist. British English and American English pronunciations are going to be similar. The Americans will use a flap T, that sounds like a D, so the US pronunciation is going to be as meteorologist. Meteorologist is how the Americans would say it in British English. How to pronounce meteorologist. Stress on the raw syllable. Meteorologist. Stress on that raw syllable. Meteorologist. It's easy once you know meteorologist, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.